important to learn body actions. So we have 3 layers of dancing, 3 schools. Let's say on the beginner level, you're doing leg dancing. Let's say you're going 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. A little bit higher level is when your feet actually on the ground and you're dancing with the hips. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. But the highest level is actually when you're using your body. Because when you use your body, your hip will react and your leg will react. So that's what you want to be focusing on body action. So let's create body actions. Keep your ankles together, standing like straight. Now try to bounce like this on your hip. Very good. Now try to take this hip as far as possible back, tummy in, and now this rib cage forward. That's what's the best dancing is, with the body. And I feel like there is this magic button here. And as you press it, it activates your tummy, you start bringing your hip forward, and it activates the change of the weight. Boom. And at the end of the step, not only you have hip action, you have a strong rib cage forward action. So dancing with this part is the key. And 2, 3, and cha, cha, cha. Because when you do your upper body, your hip react automatically. Cha, cha. Now there is a danger. Yes, no shoulders. This is presentation is always here, right? Yeah, so create here, use magic buttons, press, and 2, and 3, cha, cha, cha. The same side to side. Instead of just only doing figure 8, we're gonna do it, take it to the next level. We're gonna do upper body actions, upper body muscularity action. 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, and 2, and so what first gets on the leg? Hip or the rib cage?
Rib cage.
Rib cage gets first. Very good. 2, 3, cha, 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 and hip following. 2, 3, excellent. Cha, cha, cha. The same we're doing in the basic walk. We're going back 2, and 3, and side to side, small step. Cha, cha, big step. 1, 1 here, and then hip comes in. And 2, and hip circle, right. 3, and now side to side, using upper body muscular. Cha, 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 1, and better. 2, and 3, forward and back. And you see, before I move forward, have this strong side lead, not a shoulder lead, side lead. Cha, 1, and 2, and 3, and cha, 1. So you have to a little bit try to reprogram your body. Let the body being guided from the upper body. What does it mean? Let's say if I want my right leg to go forward, I will have to do my right rib cage guided, then leg. So this is my legs here. Like if I want to step forward, I do my rib cage, then step, and then hip comes in. Now I want this leg forward, so I'm doing it in my body here. This leg forward, walk. Otherwise, dance become too much leg, 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 or hip, 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 hip. It's also a secret for the beautiful arm style. Let's say if you want to use your right arm and make a beautiful motion, look, let's say focus on your right magic button, which is your rib cage here. Boom, and you see that starts your arm, and then your arm continue. Now you want to take your arm back, you take it from the magic button, from your body, and then your arm comes in, and again, boom, you see, from the upper body, walk, 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 rather than just, doing arms on its own, legs on its own, hips. So everything from the upper body. So this is upper body guiding the steps. Yeah, it's a little bit harder to understand how to do, let's say, walks, but it's possible. So from here, let's say tummy in. As you, if you want to take it more forward, you have to take your hip back. So rib cage and rib cage guiding the step. Cha, cha, and now this rib cage guide this leg. Ah, one, ah, walk and walk, ah, cha, cha, one. So everything from the body. Yeah. So try and dance with me and you will feel what I'm talking about. So you see, this is I'm just only doing hips and I feel this. Womb, womb, cheek, cheek, cheek. So it's a difference between body dancing and hip dancing or leg dancing. Cha, cha, cha. And 2 and 3. Cha, cha, cha. And we connect with you to feel each other body moving. Excellent. Got it? Good job.